Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making an egg curry. This egg or unda curry is exceptionally tasty, especially when you're not in a mood to cook something elaborate but wish to make some quick, delicious food. This egg curry goes very well with naan, butter naan, roti, paratha, rice, or just with bread. This curry can be made well and in advance. You just need to reheat it and add boiled eggs before serving. Done. And there is your quick weekday dinner ready to go. Egg curry is quite popular in India and is made in several ways in different parts of the country. This recipe is really comforting, especially as the weather gets cooler. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! For our egg curry today, we will need 7 boiled eggs, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, also known as kasturi methi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of a ginger and garlic paste, 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 dry red chilies, 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, a couple of bay leaves and a couple of curry leaves, 1 big chopped tomato, 1 big chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and my mum's special spice box. Now we're going to add in around 1 tablespoon of our olive oil to a heated pan. We're just going to spread all of the oil around, and our flame is on low to medium right now. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we're going to mix it well. Make sure your flame is on a low now because we don't want to burn the masalas. Wow, the masalas are really giving off a strong aroma and it smells so beautiful. As you can see, now we've cut our eggs in half, so we're just going to place them in this oil. This will give them a nice boost of flavour to make them taste even better. And now we've let them cook on one side for a couple of minutes now. So what we're going to do is just flip them over. As you can see, the egg has really absorbed all those delicious masalas. Now that we've flipped all of the eggs over, we're just going to let it cook for a couple of minutes. This is so that it can absorb all the yummy tasty masalas. Now we're going to take a different pan and add in another tablespoon of oil. And then once the oil is heated, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, along with 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And then we're just going to give them a little mix and let them pop. Now that they've started popping, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of a ginger and garlic paste, 1 big chopped onion, then mix well. starts changing colour a little bit. As you can see, it's starting to turn a little translucent. Now we're going to add in our dry spices, which are a stick of cinnamon, 2 dry red chilies, some bay leaves, curry leaves, star anise, black cardamom and 4 cloves. Then we're just going to mix that in. So we've gave that a little mix now, and we're just going to add in 1 big chopped tomato and mix that in. Now everything's giving a nice sizzle because of the juicy tomato. Now we've sauteed it for a little bit and it looks really flavourful. We're going to add in our garam masala, our dry mango powder, also known as amchur powder, dry fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and then mix that well. Now that we've coated everything nicely with the masala and we've mixed it well, we're going to add in around half a litre of water in total. We're just going to do it in little bits, so we've added a little bit of water and then we're going to mix it until the water starts boiling. And then we're going to mix it for a couple of minutes. Now that we've mixed in, the water has started boiling, we're just going to add in our eggs, which we coated with masala earlier. Wow, this looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. We're just going to get all the masala for extra flavour. And mix the eggs in. Now this is really starting to look like an egg curry. We're just going to cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes on a low flame. Now it's been around 15 minutes. We're just going to give it a little mix. Now it's time for plating. Wow, this looks so delicious, and it also uses egg, so it's healthy as well. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!